Welcome to Muse's Sight Word Shape Up. Here are the words in today's session. Get ready. This is the word on. What word? On. Oh, this little cat is on a mat. The cat is on a mat. This is the word into. What word? Into. What can we put into the sink? I can put a plate into the sink. This is the word they. What word? They. Those kangaroos can really hop. They can hop. This is the word good. What word? Good. The squirrel must think these nuts are good. The nut tastes good. This is the word but. What word? But. Oh, I think she wants to play, but her mom said no. I want to play, but mom said no. This is the word want. What word? Want. He wants to swim. I want to swim. This is the word at. What word? At. They are at home playing with blocks. We are at home. This is the word to. What word? To. Oh, she's playing in a ball pit and pretending to swim too. She can play in the ball pit and swim in it too. We finished today's words. Now let's read them again. On, into, they, good, but, want, at, to. Now get ready to try them on your own. Great job! You finished today's Shape Up. If you want a few more ways to practice with today's words, then check out our Teachers Pay Teachers store. Be sure to check us again next time. Like and subscribe. We'll see you later.